Hi guys, it's Shannon.
And Paul.
And Simon's feet and tail. Hashtag kitty feet. You know Simon has to have his kitty feet in the video.
That's right.
And we're here today with another Orbeez surprise video.
Yes.
We have our giant bowl of Orbeez here. Look at how pretty they are. What do you say we just dig in and start seeing what surprises are hiding in here?
Sounds like fun.
Okay, let's go. Oh, I feel one right away. That was fast.
Yes, it was.
It's a Disney princess egg with Ariel, Rapunzel, and Cinderella. Cinderella is my favorite princess.
I think Ariel is mine, although Cinderella is my favorite movie.
What about you guys? What's your favorite princess? You can leave a comment and let us know. I can't get it open. Plastic won't. There we go. Whoa! It's a jumping egg. It's a surprise jumping egg.
They're slippery when they come out of the Orbeez.
They are. Delicious. We got candy inside. And it's princess candy with Cinderella and Belle and Rapunzel. And these look really cute and delicious, but we're gonna leave them in the package right now so they don't get Orbeez on them. All right, next surprise.
No, I think Brushy and Blushy.
Brushy and Blushy?
Yeah.
Okay, but if you know their real names, you can leave a comment. And those are very cute. Shopkins. Okay, now crazy kitty. Let's see what else we have. Ooh, I feel a blind bag. What's it gonna be? Do you see what it is?
It's got Orbeez stuck on it.
It's Doc McStuffins. And this is a blind bag with Doc's toy friends inside. And these are some of the ones you can get.
Ooh, I want to see Bronte. Or
Bronte?
Stuffy.
Okay, let's see who we get. I kind of want to see Teddy. Aww, we have Susie Sunshine. Woody. So let's see, we're gonna turn the camera down for a minute and we're gonna show you how he rolls. Are you ready? There he goes. Let's try that again. He's gonna go right into Simon. Awesome.
Open it, Simon. I'm a cowboy. Howdy, howdy, howdy.
Let's look for our next toy. I hope there's more in here. Oh, I feel something. Yay, another surprise egg.
Ooh, that's Sofia the First.
This is Sofia the First, and she has a cute little bunny rabbit that she's giving a nice big squeeze or hug.
That's
to.
Bunny Rabbit the Second.
Let's see what's inside our Sofia egg. Makes noise too. What's inside? Whoa! Do you see who that is? First, it's a minion with a trumpet.
I think that's Kevin.
Is it Kevin? Am I Kevin? Am I Kevin? Tell them if I'm Kevin. So he is a super tall minion. I like the tall. He's really tall and skinny.
Yes, he is. Looks like a little pill.
Yep. And look what else is in here. It's Snow Crush. This is a season 1 Shopkin, and this is one of the frozen Shopkins. And this is my all-time favorite Shopkin ever, the blue Snow Crush. He's really cute, and he says, I want to jump in the bowl of Orbeez.
Jump, Snow! Oh, he blends right in.
Yeah. Okay, now he's buried. I don't know where he is. We'll find him in a minute as we search for more toys. Oh, I see something right here. My Little Pony blind bag. Awesome. This is a Cutie Mark Magic blind bag. And they don't show us on the back which ones we can get, so it's a surprise. Let's see who we have. Oh, it is! It's Princess Twilight Sparkle.
Yay, Paul. Thumbs up for Paul.
Yep, thumbs up for Paul and Princess Twilight Sparkle. Okay, I wonder if there's anything else in here. Oh, there's Snow Crush. He came right back to the top, so now he's rescued. Okay, let's see. I think there might be something else. Oh, I feel one thing. Let me see. I think that's it though. Yep, there's only one thing left in the bowl of Orbeez. Are you ready to see what it is? Shopkins! Season 3 2-pack.
Yay!
That's really awesome. Let's see what we have today. I hope it's a good one. Did you guess Croissant Dior?
Ooh, that's a good one. That's an ultra rare.
If you did, you guessed right. And like Paul said, yep, it is an ultra rare, so that's a really awesome one to get. So, very cool. Thanks so much for watching this round of Simon blocking the camera.
That's right.
This round of surprise Orbeez. If you like this video, leave a thumbs up and subscribe to PS Toy Reviews so you don't miss any of our new videos. Thanks for watching.
See ya. Hey everybody, it's Paul.
And Shannon.
And as you can see, Simon is here with us today.
Because Simon loves My Little Pony.
Yes, he does. My little Simon.
Yes, My Little Pony Simon. And he's off.
Yep. All right. So today we have something super exciting and cool for Shannon and I. We have brand new